office, at least something inside an office. And so those two rooms are...
I had completely misinterpreted your definition of space. You really made it more serious.
Yeah. But my office that I have at the moment is probably smaller than this, and
Philip, have space and Dr. Pentax.
you weren't thinking when you said they'd be hard to please.
Did have 4 bedrooms and it's very large yet. Work for you.
Find yourself in the garden, being here. What could you do?
There's something monumental about a lightning bolt coming from the sky. It has something divine about it.
Breathtaking film examining spiritual effects being struck by lightning.